Very important story. We're getting a very important breaking news. We're going to that. And this one is a statement coming in from Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister. She has said that attention on COVID-19 by the central government is meant to divert the focus from the Delhi riots. This is one of the statements she's made, and of course it will be seen as a statement which is politicizing a health problem, a health situation, which all of us should be very careful about. Let's see how the BJP reacts to the statement coming in from the Mamata Banerjee. But Mamata Banerjee even earlier had time and again cornered the central government on the Delhi riots. She had also said that it was a planned genocide that was conducted by the government at the centre. But she said that the entire preparedness or whatever the government is doing for coronavirus is to divert attention from the Delhi riots. Shaugato is with us on the broadcast. Shaugato, I'm sure a lot of people will not agree with what Didi is saying.
Well, what Mamata Banerjee has said exactly is that the media is now focusing on the coronavirus and not talking too much about the Delhi violence. She has agreed that it's a matter of concern for the country, and that it has a potential danger in the sense that there is no effective preventive to restrict the spread of the disease. But at the same time, she says that those people who were killed in Delhi did not die of coronavirus. The 50 people who died in the national capital were victims of large-scale violence, and not to talk about them and to talk only about the disease is in fact a diversion of attention. That's the point that Mamata Banerjee has made. I'm not exactly sure as to whether she thinks that the government is using a diversionary tactic, or whether she thinks that the coronavirus scare and the focus on the coronavirus scare is in a way obfuscates the impact of the Delhi violence. That she has not quite been elaborate about, but yes, she thinks that the coronavirus attention is a diversionary measure, and that diversionary measure is because the fact that the death toll in Delhi, which keeps on rising with every passing day, is a matter of great embarrassment for the central government.
All right. Thank you, Shaugato. As you put all of that into perspective, so COVID-19 is one issue that even the politicians are talking about. How much media attention is proportionate and disproportionate? Well, that only time will tell, but global examples tell us that this is something we need to take precaution against. This is something that the country needs to be prepared for, to deal with. So far, 28 is the number, the COVID-19 cases that have been detected in India. 3 out of those patients have recovered. I'm going back to Dr. Rai, who is with us on the broadcast. He was talking about